Stress is a natural part of life. It's our body's way of responding to challenges and demands. In small doses, stress can be beneficial. Think about the surge of energy before a big presentation, or the focus needed for a sports competition. This good stress helps us perform better and stay alert. However, problems arise when stress becomes chronic. When we experience constant pressure without relief, it takes a toll on our physical and mental well-being. Our brains, in particular, are highly sensitive to prolonged stress. Chronic stress can disrupt the delicate balance within our brains, leading to a cascade of negative effects. Understanding how this happens is crucial for protecting our brain health and overall well-being. At the heart of our stress response lies the hypothalamic pituitary adrenal HPA axis. This system starts in the brain and ends with the release of cortisol, the stress hormone. The hypothalamus signals the pituitary gland, which activates the adrenal glands. These glands release cortisol, providing energy and focus. Chronic stress keeps cortisol levels high, harming brain areas involved in memory and emotions. Chronic stress can significantly impact key brain regions, including the amygdala, hippocampus, and prefrontal cortex. The amygdala, often referred to as the brain's fear center, becomes hyperactive under chronic stress. This heightened activity can lead to increased anxiety, fear, and emotional reactivity. The hippocampus, crucial for learning and memory consolidation, suffers under chronic stress. High cortisol levels can impair the growth of new brain cells in the hippocampus and even lead to shrinkage of this vital region. This can manifest as difficulty forming new memories, retrieving old ones, and learning new information. The prefrontal cortex, responsible for higher-order cognitive functions like decision-making, planning, and impulse control, is also vulnerable to chronic stress. Prolonged exposure to cortisol can weaken the connections between brain cells in this area, leading to impaired judgment, reduced concentration, and difficulty regulating emotions. Epigenetics: how nurturing shapes our stress response. Research in epigenetics shows early life experiences profoundly influence our stress response. Environmental factors like maternal care can alter gene expression without changing DNA. Studies on rats show high maternal nurturing leads to a blunted stress response. They regulate cortisol better and recover from stress quickly. Low nurturing results in heightened stress and increased anxiety. These changes can be passed to future generations. This highlights the importance of a nurturing environment for healthy stress regulation. Reversing the tide, combating chronic stress. The good news is that the damaging effects of chronic stress on the brain are not necessarily permanent. We have the power to mitigate and even reverse some of these changes through lifestyle modifications and stress-reducing practices. Regular exercise is a potent stress buster. It helps to lower cortisol levels, improve mood, and enhance cognitive function. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate intensity exercise, such as brisk walking or cycling most days of this week. Mindfulness meditation, which involves focusing on the present moment without judgment, has also been shown to reduce stress and improve well-being. Even a few minutes of daily meditation can make a difference. By adopting these and other stress management techniques, we can protect our brains from the damaging effects of chronic stress and pave the way for a healthier, more fulfilling life.